Who's the fastest man in the world?
It's me. I mean, that's what the title
But
says.
if I look at Usain Bolt's time, is he
Hey, I'm
still
talking about
technically?
records. Hey, you're talking about records now. You're asking who the world record holder. We've always given the title of fastest man to a world champion and an Olympic champion. We've it's just so happens for the last 4, 8, 16 years that that was both. He had both. Usually, you don't always have the person that has the world record and the title at the same time. But we, in the sport of track and field, have always given it to the title of who has the Olympic 100-meter men's gold medal and who has the world championship 100-meter men gold medal.
How long do you think it'll take for somebody to surpass Bolt's time in the 100 meters?
I'm trying to get it done as soon as possible. Unfortunately, I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't tell you an exact date. But I mean, as athletes, we're always looking to improve ourselves and we're always looking for greater challenges. And I think everybody sees the world record as one, as incredible, and two, as I want that to be me.